Welcome to the Whole Child Committee fourth quarter quarterly review. What is the Whole Child Committee? Definition of the whole child: a whole child approach which ensures that each student is healthy, safe, engaged, supported, and challenged, sets the standard for comprehensive, sustainable school improvement, and provides for long-term student success. Please review the IndiStar indicators that the Whole Child Committee addresses for our school improvement plan. What has the Whole Child Committee done in quarter 4? For the virtual end-of-year night on May 20th, the Whole Child Committee created student engagement activities such as sensory slime, calming glitter bottle, and a stress-less squeeze ball. The Whole Child Committee also created a parent resources page, which appears in the weekly newsletter. Many updates have been added to this resource page, such as free tutoring options, resources available in Spanish, and an interpreter hotline for parents who do not speak English to be able to call and reach out to the school. We've also continued our partnerships with community organizations such as local businesses, churches, and charitable organizations. The Compass Card reward system is also still in place and will continue until the end of the year. All teachers have been able to implement Capturing Kids' Hearts and will be ready to set up social contracts for their classrooms at the beginning of next year. The full course of the Positivity Project has been completed with our students. It's our SEL program that we teach our students every morning, and they have been exposed to the Other People Matter mindset and all 24 character strengths that all of us possess. Here's an example of our parent resource document, which is a working document and constantly updated and shared with parents for necessary resources. We continue to support families in our community. We've connected families to food resources and partnered with Note in a Pocket to provide clothes and shoes for 4 families this quarter. The Whole Child Committee has also come up with beginning of the year ideas and activities, such as distribution of role model posters, growth mindset, parent handbooks and bookmarks, beginning of the year kickoff event, a Capturing Kids' Hearts refresher, second step SEL training, as well as an additional positivity project training. That's it for quarter 4. Thank you for watching.